New Antidote presents a trick to naturally disinfect your toilet. We all enjoy a clean house, and that includes having a clean toilet. There are more than the fair share of bathroom cleaning products on the market. The problem is that when people use those products to clean the bathroom, they inhale the toxic fumes of those cleaners, which can cause respiratory or other health problems. You want to make sure you really get the job done and thoroughly clean your toilet and bathroom, but you also want to protect your health. That being said, there are less chemical ways to clean your toilet. One of those ways is by using garlic as a natural disinfectant and cleaner. Here's how you would do it. Before you fall asleep, peel one garlic clove and place it inside your toilet. Let it stay there overnight, and the next morning, flush the toilet. Repeat this method at least twice a week, and always do it at night, since that's when the toilet is less likely to be used. The garlic will surely help due to its antimicrobial and antifungal powers. Making garlic tea is another great option to naturally disinfect the toilet, and it is one that brings fast results. Here's how you make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. When it starts boiling, cut 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces and place it in the water. Turn off the heat and cover the pan and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, pour the garlic tea into your toilet. Just like the other method, it's best if you do this just before going to bed, since this is the time when the bathroom is less likely to be used. These two methods are the fastest ways to naturally disinfect your toilet and get rid of bacteria and fungus. It also removes those yellow spots from the toilet. Interesting, huh? Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button and share the video. And if you would like to see more Blue Antidote videos like this one, then subscribe to the channel. Until next time, and in all you do, be happy, be healthy.